Welcome to the biology class. So we're in the topic reproduction in organisms. From today onwards, we're going to plan with the NEET program. So day by day, we'll upload some videos. We'll discuss some MCQs, that is multiple choice questions by chapter wise. So by discussing some questions, we'll upload some set of question papers in your WhatsApp group also. So you just refer those question papers and you just solve the question papers in your home, and we'll provide you the key answers also. After this session, I'll provide some synaptic notes also. You just refer that notes and you just follow these questions and also practice that set of question papers. So by doing or by practicing a lot of question papers might be that will be help for your NEET programs. Okay, let's start with the discussion example. First, so that is this is a type of asexual reproduction during which only two young ones are formed. Question is like this: this is a type of asexual reproduction during which only two young ones are formed. So options are like this: multiple fission, B cloning, C fragmentation, D binary fission. As you already know that when it comes to multiple fission and fragmentation, the part of a plant body is what regenerates itself and forms into a single young ones. But when it comes to cloning, so it's an exact copy of what genetically identical copy will be formed. But when it comes to binary fission, so the two young ones are formed. Example for the binary fission or a two young one formation is amoeba. So answer is B, that is binary fission. So look at here in this picture, as usual the parental body is gives us to two equal halves or two young ones. That is called as what? Binary fission. So answer is binary fission. Second one, the offsprings produced from asexual reproduction or offsprings produced from asexual reproduction, slightly similar, identical to parents, slightly different, completely different. So as you already know that asexual reproduction, the offspring produced are, so they must the exact copy of identical to a parents. So answer is B. Okay. You see here the lot of examples or a lot of types of asexual reproductions are there. There are binary fission, budding, conidia, formation, cell division, zoospores, gametes. These are all types of asexual reproduction. So the definition of asexual reproduction is: in this method, a single parent with or without involvement of gamete formation that is capable of producing offspring. So in offsprings usually they are identical to a parent. Next, this one is a flowchart of what the number of gametes or number of myocytes based on the organisms. It will vary. So question is like this: organism containing 21 chromosomes in its gametes is, what is that? Cat, fruit fly, human being, rat. First one, cat. Where is cat? So usually the gametes are 19 in number. Fruit fly, so as usual 0. Okay, 12 to 24 will be there. Human beings, so as usual how many gametes? 23. So 21 chromosomes. Rat is 21. Okay, exactly, rat is the answer. So please kindly make it as a star. So please just remember these numbers. Okay, might be in this flow charts question may arise. You just keep in your mind and practice these flow chart also. So it will be helpful for your examination. So answer is D. More to what? The process of reproduction where there is a development of small outgrowth is called as. So on the body melon small outgrowth irutte. So which one is the best example for that? Fission is dividing of a parental body. Budding also, so it's a dividing. Okay, regeneration, any part of a body will regenerate itself. Parthenogenesis, producing what? Offsprings with the help of or not with the help of, without fertilization. Okay, so one diagram is there. C is the answer. Look at here, budding, a small scary or small outgrowth is there, so that will helps to reproduce itself by asexual reproduction. So answer is B, budding. Okay, just keep in mind they are also called as a bird scares. May question may arises from these word also. Just make it as a star. Answer. Nice. Okay. Next, this is a type of asexual reproduction exhibiting by paramecium. I heard it already. You should know the organisms or examples and also along with the mode of reproduction. Paramecium always reproduced by fission. ಇಲ್ಲಿ macronucleus and micronucleus ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. They are both are dividing. Macronucleus dividing automatically, amitotically, not automatically, sorry, amitotically, macronucleus mitotically divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. They will fuse to form fission, fuse to form what? New paramecium. Okay. Next, gemmules ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ. The formation of gemmules is seen in. Gemmules are highly resistant birds developed internally during unfavorable condition. Gemmules ಏನು into highly resistant. Okay. Therefore, example sponges ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಸ್ಪಾಂಜಿಲಾ. Okay. As a cycon, hydra, plasmodium, they're all what? They do not consisting of any gemmule. Hydra consisting of what? Birds. Cycon also. Plasmodium is scarce. Okay. Like this, lot of things are there. Okay. Next, simple example. One of the following produces the pollen grains. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? Male reproductive part. That is answer. Next, this is the most important part of a plant responsible for the continuation of a species or a generation. Next generation lead ಮಾಡಂತದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ flower, because it's a reproductive part of a plant, helps in the continuation of a generation. Flower ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Fruit ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Fruit will develops into seeds. Seeds is developed into new generation or a new species. The best method of propagation for plants without seed formation. ಯಾವುದೇ seed form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so that will be forms into what? New plant. Budding, it's not a plant, so scary will be there without plant. Okay, propagation of a for plant in the ಯಾವುದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. Vegetative propagation, fragmentation, fission. Here vegetative propagation and fragmentation are almost similar, but the nature of fragmentation is quite different when it comes to vegetative propagation. How so? Fragment must be able to regenerate the complete organism. Okay, vegetative propagation any part of a plant body, but complete organism is going to regenerate itself and forms into what? New organ. Okay. Next, which of the following is an example of monoecious and dioecious? First, monoecious andre having both the male and female reproductive organs in the same individual. Dioecious means having male and female reproductive organs in a separate individual. Papaya, date palm is the first option. B, cucurbits and coconuts. C, cucurbits and date palm. D, papaya and cucurbits. As per me, cucurbits is usually reproduced, consisting of both male and female in the same plant, and the date palm consisting of male and female reproductive organs in a separate individual. So answer is C. So as usual, papaya and date palm is quite different. Cucurbits and coconuts, okay. Like this, lot of plants are having different. They are most of them are some of them are monoecious and some of them are dioecious. So based on their nature, they forms and they will reproduce itself. Okay. Now, pick the type of vegetative propagation exhibited by sweet potato and bryophyllum. Sweet potato and bryophyllum. Simple logic use ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Option A is stem and leaf. Okay. B, root and leaf. C, root and stem. D, leaf and root. Quite confusing here. You just see here. Sweet potato and bryophyllum, they are giving a respectively. Just focus. Sweet potato is the modification of a root. Okay. Bryophyllum, leaf birds. Okay. Look at here. This one is a root and leaf is the answer. What is that? Yeah, that's haploid vegetative cells and haploid gametangia. Haploid vegetative cell form means that will forms into haploid plant or a vegetative part. After that, it will give rise to a haploid gametes only. So they are running cycle. Haploid gametes barutta, haploid nature is there. Okay. 16th one. In which one of the following method of asexual reproduction do you expect unequal daughter cells? Equal ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. Budding ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, fission, fragmentation, sporulation. Equal daughter cells will be not there. So answer is A. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ because Scare will be there, bud scare. It is not equal, smaller than the parent body. Okay. Okay. One more question is that external fertilization is generally found in this medium. So external fertilization is water, aquatic medium. So they are consisting of three different types of gametes. One is isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. Isogamy andre size of a gamete is same but having a flagella. Both are motile, male and female. Here female is bigger and male is smaller, but both are motile in nature when it comes to anisogamy. Oogamy means egg is completely stagnant. There is no presence of a flagella. They are not motile one, non-motile one. But here male thing is motile. They are swims and attach on the egg and leads to what? Fertilization. Is the answer. Next, the phenomenon in which eggs are fertilized after they are laid is called as self-fertilization. Same as usual before in question ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ external fertilization. Eggs usually frog ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ water medium ಅಲ್ಲಿ lay ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. After that they'll form this organism. Next, sexual reproduction is characterized by dash mating and dash. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು, ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟೋ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಸು ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟೋಜೆನ್ಸಿಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟೋಜೆನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್, ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪೋಮಿಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್. ಯಾವುದು? ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. See the answer. Next, grafting method can be used. Usually ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, when it comes to grafting, the stem should be formed or it should be matured. It means it forms a cambium. So cambium helps in what? The development, or they will help in the regeneration process. So in cambium containing eustelic plants, so that will be best suitable plant for the grafting method. Next, sexual spores produced by ascomycetes. As usual, ascospores are the best example for that. Bestiospores, basidio, pycniospore, cup-like spores, and arthospores are the one of the forms of ascospores. They are not the types of ascospores. They are the semi-spores of ascomycetes antanu karitare. Okay. Okay, we just match these followings. Arum. Arum is the plant fly trap ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಪ್ರೊಪಗೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಪಗೇಷನ್, ಹೆಟ್ರೋಥಾಲಿಕ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಮೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್. ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಟರ್, ವಾಟ್? ಎಂಟಮೋಫಿಲಿ. ಅನಿಮಲಿಂದ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟೋಮೋಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾಂಚಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ is a simple thing. V shaped notch na ready ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವಿ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ನಾಚ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಕ್ರೌನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಬಡ್ಜ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ವೈಪ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? ವಿ ಶೇಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಡ್ಜ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ synaptic notes also. Just read that one. After that I will send some set of a question paper, that is set 1 and set 2 question paper. You just practice in your home. If you get any doubts, please contact your teachers. So you already have the numbers in this group. Okay, till now I'll back in next session, that is with the topic on sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Till now, stay home, stay safe.